You don't own the empire. You don't wear the crown. You don't make speeches. But if you disappear, governments panic, billionaires lose sleep, and presidents suddenly start answering their phones. Because you're not the boss. You're the consigliere, the one person who knows where every skeleton is buried and without ever touching the shovel. You started as nobody, just another law graduate with an incredible memory and an even better poker face. Your boss didn't hire you because you were strong. He hired you because you never talked. While everyone else chased power, you organized it. Every payment, every deal, every betrayal, every secret. Soon everyone realized something. The empire didn't run because of money. It ran because of information. And you controlled all of it. Your office doesn't look impressive. No gold furniture, no expensive paintings, just shelves, files, hard drives, locked cabinets. Simple. Because inside these cabinets are the lives of thousands. You know which senator secretly works for another country? Which billionaire built their fortune through illegal shell companies? Which famous celebrity paid millions to make scandals disappear? Which military general sold classified information? Nobody knows everything, except you. And that's exactly why everyone smiles when they see you. Even if they hate you. Every morning, someone brings you coffee. Someone else offers expensive gifts. Another person suddenly becomes very polite. Not because they like you, because they're terrified. One missing folder, one leaked recording, one forgotten document could erase careers overnight. Even your boss asks politely before entering your office, because while he commands the empire, you remember everything, and memory is far more dangerous than money. Then one night, your convoy stops. The road ahead is blocked. Silence. Too much silence. Your driver whispers, "Something's wrong." The attack lasts less than 30 seconds. When it's over, your security team survives. Barely. The attackers? Gone. Nobody claims responsibility. Nobody needs to. Because everyone has a reason to want you gone. You don't carry weapons. You carry information. And sometimes, that's more dangerous than any army. But here's what nobody knows. You planned for this years ago. Every document, every recording, every encrypted file, hidden, duplicated, sent to locations across the world. If you disappear, everything is automatically released. Governments, corporations, crime syndicates, even your own boss. Nobody is safe. It's called an insurance policy, not to protect your life, but to make your death too expensive. Suddenly, nobody wants you dead anymore. Keeping you alive becomes everyone's safest option. People think power comes from money, or armies, or politics. They're wrong. Real power belongs to the person who knows everyone's truth and chooses not to speak. You don't threaten, you don't shout, you simply listen. Take notes, close the file, and move on. Because every secret you protect becomes another invisible chain tying the world's most powerful people to you. One day, someone new will become consigliere. You'll hand them the keys, the passwords, the vault, and one simple rule. Never forget, people don't fear the truth. They fear who controls it. Until then, you smile, lock another cabinet, and quietly protect secrets that could collapse nations.